Is Kiwi worth trying? Fly cheaper, book smarter, travel with confidence. That's how Kiwi.com presents itself. A modern travel platform that claims to find flight combinations you won't see anywhere else. It sounds like the perfect solution for travelers who want to save money and still reach their destination fast. But in 2026, is Kiwi.com really worth it? Or is it just another risky middleman between you and the airline? Kiwi.com isn't your typical booking site. It promises something different, combining flights from airlines that normally don't cooperate, building unique routes, and showing hidden deals that can save you hundreds of dollars. It's like having an algorithm that searches every corner of the internet to piece together your perfect trip. On paper, it looks brilliant. Now here's what Kiwi claims. The company promotes the best price guaranteed, unique itineraries, and virtual interlining, meaning you can mix and match airlines freely. It also includes budget carriers most major search engines ignore, giving you results that Google Flights or Expedia might not show. Add in sleek visuals, filters for flexible dates, and tools like Nomad, which builds multi-city trips automatically, and you start to see why people love it. But here's where things get tricky. That same flexibility that helps you save can also create problems when things go wrong. Since many of these flights are not part of a single booking system, if one segment gets delayed or canceled, the next airline might not recognize your ticket at all. Kiwi calls this virtual connection, but in real life, it means you could miss your next flight and neither airline will help you. And yes, Kiwi offers something called the Kiwi Guarantee. It sounds reassuring. They claim to cover costs for rebooking or refunding if your connection fails. But users have mixed experiences with this. Some say Kiwi handled everything smoothly and got them new flights within hours. Others say customer support was slow, unclear, or even unresponsive when they needed help most. Refunds are another hot topic. When flights are canceled, Kiwi acts as the middleman between you and the airline, which means the refund process can take much longer. Many travelers report waiting weeks, sometimes months, to get their money back. Add to that different policies, unclear communication, and automated messages, and you can see why frustration builds fast. That said, not everything is negative. There are thousands of satisfied users who manage to travel the world at a fraction of the usual cost. Thanks to Kiwi, for adventurous travelers, backpackers, or people who don't mind managing logistics themselves, Kiwi can genuinely open up cheaper travel opportunities. It's great for flexible routes, unexpected connections, and hidden fares that other platforms miss. But for families, business travelers, or anyone who values peace of mind over saving a few dollars, the risk might outweigh the reward. If you want guaranteed protection, easy refunds, and direct communication with airlines, booking directly will almost always be safer. So what's the final verdict? Kiwi.com is not a scam, but it's not foolproof either. It's a tool that rewards smart travelers who read the fine print and plan carefully. If you're willing to take some risk and save money, it can work brilliantly. But if you expect full service and reliability, you might be disappointed. Use Kiwi for inspiration, for finding new routes, or for comparing prices, but always double-check the details before paying. Remember, every deal comes with trade-offs. Cheap tickets often mean more responsibility. If this review helped you decide whether Kiwi.com is right for you, leave a like, share it with your travel friends, and tell us your experience below. The cheapest ticket isn't always the smartest one. Travel safe, plan smart, and never stop exploring.